Yeah, man.
This is how it should be long time, man. I was looking forward for this work done over many years.
Brown boss.
Brown boss, babe.
Girl, you got perfect legs.
Oh, thank you.
The Sam Sharpe Square Area of Montego Bay is included in the St. James Municipal Corporation Sidewalk Improvement Initiative. This project includes both the sidewalk rehabilitation and drainage improvements aimed to enhance the aesthetics and accessibility of the city's downtown area. The initiative is being undertaken over a 4-year period with a budget of $100 million. A significant portion of this budget is being allocated to improving sidewalks in key areas like Sam Sharpe Square, St. James Street, and Market Street, according to the St. James Municipal Corporation.
Yeah, we need a little time though. About 15 minutes.
Alright, my people, here is the reveal right now at Lower Market Street. You can see that they have finished laying out the tiles right here. They have digged up the surface and laid some brand new tiles at this area. Look at it. I do love the color variation. It looks very beautiful. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. But I do believe that this will get dirty very easily, as you can see at the sidewalk right now. Towards the left, yeah, you can see persons just walking along that end. And look over towards the right section. Yeah, guys, really beautiful. Yeah, they have finished this in a timely manner, I must say, because it was just the other day I saw the work going on at this end. They blocked off the area and had the vendors relocated over to the side, and now they have reopened it with a brand new look. Looks as if you are walking into a brand new city. The overall transformation will result in the repair and upgrading of sidewalks, including drainage and other related infrastructure, and transforming key areas of the second city here of Montego Bay.
Yeah, man, I'm here black.
Why you can do a video one day? I'm black. Clear cut.
Clear cut.
Now California, I can't get it.
You say you want to come in here too?
Yeah, I'm going to find a key route and what's up everything. You know, I'm putting up on a beautiful.
Oh man, you're there, man, you're there. So what go on now? What go on now?
I just love a beautify, man, and it's looking good.
Yeah, man.
This is how it should be long time, man. I was looking forward for this work done over many years. And it's here. Yeah, man.
How when they would meet?
Friday.
Friday? Yeah. Friday.
Thursday or Friday? Thursday.
But one thing though, it look good, you know, but I not think the color proper.
Oh, you mean the red?
Dirty.
Yeah,
like
easy for dirty, yeah, man.
It's dirty already.
Yeah.
Like
but any way you now go avoid enough true business around here. If even both sides, if even St. James Street is the same thing would happen there.
You open too?
Not as yet, but
not as yet.
remember the flowing with the peoples were passing, it ever happen. So you not go really avoid, and like say something we're blocked off, and but the beautification it is wonderful.
Oh, okay. Yeah, man, it's a good look, man. So, I Montego Bay Municipal Corporation do it.
Parish Council.
Parish Council. Okay. So
St. James, the boat two sides go right down.
So
it start already, you know, huh?
Kaya inaman yung lock up. May always over there
No,
to lock
man,
up.
a restaurant of open there.
Oh.
So over here, them put these things and transport back down and round there start already. You know? Yeah, man, if you go go round there and see it, man. And reach far with it, man.
Yeah, man, I'll check out it, man.
And when you see it and when they all said and done and everything finished, man, oh gosh, man, it all looks so wonderful.
Yeah, man, it all look nice, man.
When I see it down there, I say, wow, that's good, man.
Yeah, man, just pick it up, man.
But when you look at it, man, brand new.
Brand new.
Yeah,
Yeah, man.
brand new.
I hope it not coming like Falmouth. So Falmouth see, with the tree them, with the palm tree grow, the root then go come on, the root to be the tile them.
But this not gonna happen.
Now go have none.
No.
20 years from now.
Them dig it go right down side, it root not gonna really.
Oh, it now go spread.
No. Them more them set in now.
Oh.
So, yeah, man,
Respect, man.
Yeah, man.
Check me out on YouTube, Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Yeah, man, live and yeah, man, respect for the link here.
Yeah, man.
Every time.
So there you have it. I just gotten feedback from one of the long-standing vendors along this section of Lower Market Street. Yes, he's very happy with the rehabilitation work that was done right here at, Sam Sharpe Square, Lower Market Street. Yes, it's a good look for the second city here, Montego Bay, Jamaica. Yes, a very historical place where one of our national heroes, Sam Sharpe, was actually hung right where the fountain is at. All right, and they have the cultural center towards the right, where you can go and do tours. You can book me to do tours there. Brown Boss Jamaica Tours. Check me out on my website, brownbossjatours.com, or you can contact me through WhatsApp and book your tours right now, guys. All right, let me know what you think about the overall look of this rehabilitation work for the second city. So I'm gonna go around St. James Street and show you the ongoing progress of the sidewalks at that end. All right, so stay with me, guys, while I take you on this journey. Now here is the progress update of the road rehabilitation improvement for St. James Street. You can see along both sides. At the left you can see Captain Bakery, and towards the right you can see some supermarkets and some Chinese stores. They have made some makeshift walkways so you can access the business places. But there you have it, guys, the ongoing works being done along the sidewalk. It's going to have the same layout as you would have seen at Lower Market Street at the initial stage of this video. So yes, guys, it's going to be completed very soon. So I'll give you an update once completed. It's going to look very good. Yeah, making the second city look more attractive for, everybody to enjoy, visitors and regular citizens here in Jamaica. Yeah, Let me know what you think about the overall progress in the comment section below. Yes guys, that's what I was talking about. It's going to look dirty when people continuously walk on it and the rain falls. Yeah, it's going to look away guys. So let me know what you think about this in the comment section below.